just so it doesn't shift around. You don't need to go crazy with it. Basically, during the pour at some point. Today we're doing some in-slab plumbing. Okay, so this is our bathroom. This is a Bullhorn style, so you can clean out, basically come in this side, clean out towards the building, or come in this side, clean out down the lateral. There's ways that, there is technically a code where if you put that end of line clean out that we have, you don't need a two-way clean out. You can have just one, but I've had inspectors that still want to see both clean outs, even though we put an end of the line clean out. So. Where this pipe goes through the footing, it needs to be wrapped in foam so it doesn't get any force on it by the concrete. That'll break. This 3-inch pipe is going to go up that way to the rest of the to the second bathroom and this kitchen sink and a couple other things. And then our 4-inch pipe continues. We have that 4x3Y pointed straight up to bring the pipe a little bit higher. And then our bathroom group right here, just like the drawing, comes up with 3-inch for the toilet, head straight for the toilet. And then if we look at the left side, we come off with a 3x2 2-inch Y. The 2-inch pipe is gonna get, this 2-inch pipe is gonna go to a tub box, which we'll show you later. That's gonna be for the shower, tub or shower. Now, one thing to note, this fitting right here is rolled up 45 degrees because it's a dry vent, and so it has to be rolled or else it could potentially get clogged with stuff. So that's why this has to be rolled. And then that goes over to here, which is our vent for the toilet and the shower, line for the sink and the shower. Those are both 2-inch. This is gonna come up. This is gonna come up and be our sink in the bathroom, lavatory. This is gonna be the washer dryer box. And this string right here is a string that represents, this string represents the wall that's gonna be the back of the bathroom. So we need to make sure that, for instance, this measurement from the front of this string to the back of this pipe needs to fit inside our wall. In this case, it's a 2x6 wall. So from the front of this string, the front of our wall, to the back of the pipe needs to be less than 5.5 inches, or else the pipe won't be in the wall. Same with this pipe over here as well. The vent for the toilet and shower.